హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ టు తెలుగు వన్ దిస్ ఈస్ దివ్యశ్రీ. సో సుందరకాండ త్వరలో థియేటర్స్లోకి రాబోతుంది. మరి సినిమా గురించి మనతో మాట్లాడడానికి వన్ ఆఫ్ ది లీడ్ వీర్తి వఘారి ప్రస్తుతం మనతో ఉన్నారు. తనతో మాట్లాడదాం. హాయ్ వీర్తి.
Hi.
హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
Oh, good. How are you?
యా ఐఎమ్ గుడ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. సో ఫస్ట్లీ ఐ వాంట్ టు ఆస్క్ యూ అబౌట్ యువర్ నేమ్ బికాస్ ఐ డెంట్ లిసన్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ నేమ్ బిఫోర్.
Okay.
సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ నేమ్?
So Veerti Vagani means Veer, Sappe Vijaypana, like the Veer, the warrior.
వీర్ మతలబ్ కింగ్.
Veer, he's a fighter.
ఎస్ ఫైటర్. యా.
Yeah. So Veer Sappe Vijaypana.
Acha, acha. Vagani is your surname.
Surname, yeah.
Oh, right. Nice. So we saw a teaser. It's very interesting.
Yeah.
And especially your character is it's going to be a wonder. It's creating to be a wonder.
Yeah.
So how does it feel to you?
I mean, Ira is something that there's a lot of me in Ira, so I feel like I want people to watch this film because they would also be able to understand what I am. So yeah.
Okay. This character is related to you. Your real life.
Yeah, like when we were doing this, like starting to do this film, we made sure that Ira and Veerti are somewhere or the other, connected. So
Okay.
like, there's always the natural element to that character. So like
Okay.
Ira has to be alive. So yeah.
So what kind of story is this? Like मतलब कौन सा एज वाले ये मूवी को कनेक्ट कर सकता है?
Okay, so I feel like today when I actually talk to people and I see them wanna watch films which have more age gap between the the guy and the
Yes,
girl, and like the age gap, they like watching it, and it is so trendy. And when I actually even look back to the major films that were amazing and that like the great love stories, they always had the age gap. Right.
Okay.
And you can't do anything about the age gap. I don't think so. It's just something that we all like to fantasize about, and it gives us butterflies and things like that. So I feel like all the age group will relate to this because also I'm the young one, and Sridevi ma'am is also there, and I'm not going to tell you much because then that will be spoiling my film. But like yeah. So that's something, it's about two love stories,
Okay.
and I'm very sure when people go to the theaters, watch this, they will see something that is different, not something that they have already seen. So
Okay.
yeah.
So you mean age is just a number?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. So why did you choose this character? Before you did it is kotta kottaga.
Yeah.
So this is completely different.
Yeah.
So this is completely traditional and like this character will be connected to this generation.
Yes.
So why did you choose this character?
If actually you want to, if I tell you more about Ira, that is just telling you more about the film. But like Ira is something that
Ira is your character name,
yeah,
right?
that's what I am playing in this film. And Ira is something that everybody is, like whatever we are showing in this film is something that everybody is going through, and to put life to that emotion, it is very difficult. And until and unless people don't like imagine if you are going through something and someone shows that film to you where the same thing the character is going through, how much will you connect, how much you will feel seen, right?
Yes.
So like this film actually is about all the problems that we youngsters go through, and age, love is something so different to there's no definition to love.
Okay.
And like if you actually Google it, Google is also not going to give you a definition to love. Love is something that it is a feeling that you feel, right? Like for you, love could be something compromising. For me, love could be not doing anything. Look, it's different.
Yes.
And that's what this is about. Like the film is like
Okay.
love is different, no love story is the same, because
Yes.
no two people when they are with different people are same.
Okay.
So I feel
In
like
in Veerti point of view, so what is love?
love is something that will never end.
Okay.
Okay, love is something that, suppose if I love someone, even though we decide not to be together, I would never say that I don't love that person, because love is something, love cannot be conditioned. Like I can't tell you that, oh, if you do this, only then I will love you. Love
Okay.
is always going to stay there. But
Yes.
like if it is not good for me, I will move out of it. But love is something that will never like you can't get
Never
over
end,
love.
yes.
It will not end. Okay, you can't say that, oh, I stopped loving you. No, it is not true.
Okay. So, Virti got that love in real life. I'm asking about real life.
So if you want to know, we can chit chat after this. I am
this,
not telling
okay.
you.
But okay, so okay, we'll do one thing, just off cameras, and now you can say that
You're
answer.
tricking me into that. No, right now I'm very much career oriented, and like
Okay.
I feel like my love right now is the films. My love is the me. I would say that is what I am in to right now, and yeah, until I get there and I find someone who's stable enough to take care of me, yeah.
Very smart answer. Okay, that's nice. And coming to movie, in this movie, Sridevi Garu, you know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So very routine question, but I want to know the answer. So how was the working experience with Sridevi Garu and Nara Rohit Garu?
Oh my god, both of them are very much experienced than me, and they also speak amazing Telugu because they are from here. And they were really always nice to me. They were always supporting because I was the one who didn't know Telugu and it was always difficult. And so yeah, they were always there for me. They were always pushing me. There were a lot of scenes when I was like doing scenes and I would forget lines and things like that. But they would always not make me feel uncomfortable or not make me feel like pressure. They would just
Okay.
calm me down. Like okay, it's okay. They would help me with things. So
Okay.
yeah,
So when it started movie?
we started like around 2023.
2023.
Yeah.
It's
No,
really-
2024 Jan.
24 Jan.
Yeah.
Achha, okay, almost 1 year is done.
Yeah, it's done.
Yeah, but I think so. Teaser got released before 1 year.
Yeah. Right. Our teaser got released on 26th of August 2024.
Yes,
Yeah.
2024 almost.
Yeah.
1 month हो गया तो 1 year हो जाता है.
Yeah, yeah.
So why इतना लेट क्यों हुआ तो बोले तो क्या बोलते?
I mean, there are few things like when you make a film, it is not always about the shoot that you do, right? And also, it is about the like post production that takes time, okay? And like all the things, and my director has made sure that everything that is in this film is perfect. It is like it's just right there how we wanted, and Venki runs behind perfection, okay? You can't do anything about that, and he will take as long as he wants. And I'm telling you, films take 6 years, 7 years, but when they put out the work, if it is like that's what the process took, right?
Yes,
It takes a lot of time. All the films take a lot of time. Some films don't take time because like it is their thing.
Yes.
But I feel like my film took a fair enough of time, and that's fine.
Okay. So how did you got opportunity to work this movie? So
Sorry?
before you know Venkat?
No, I did not know Venkatej. Like we kind of, there was this one casting guy who did this. His name is Navneet Jha, and then
Casting guy.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like I
You-
got this film, and then I did this, and yeah, like that's how I got this.
Achha,
So,
okay.
yeah.
So first you gave audition to this movie.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I came here to do a look test, and then Venki and I did a audition because like he was also not sure how I will pick up the Telugu things because it is difficult, right? So we did a little test, and then yeah.
Okay. You saw Nara Rohit movies before?
Sorry?
Nara Rohit gar movies chusara? Did you?
Yeah,
see?
I have seen a few, but I don't remember much because like when I came here, I was like, I know this person. I have seen his films or something I have seen. But then my mom was telling me that, oh, this film, that film. So I've seen a bit of it.
Okay. Generally you saw Telugu films?
Yeah.
Yeah. Recently what did you saw?
Recently I watched Family Star.
Family Star.
Yeah,
Oh, it's Vijay
and
Deverakonda's movie.
then I also watched a lot of Tamil and stuff like that. So I have watched quite a lot.
Achha, okay.
And then what else do I don't remember. If I go on my Netflix and see my history, then I will know. But like a lot of films in South I have seen. And also maybe the first film I watched was Janta Garage maybe.
Janta Garage. It's
Yeah.
NTR's movie.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
So that film. I watched.
Okay, nice. So particularly you want to add anything about Nara Rohit sir because he is the hero of this film.
I mean, he is so kind, he is so sweet, he is
Yeah.
so composed, and I would say, but also, the minute he finds his gang, he is like all cool boss and like, fun and very funny. But he's
Acha,
also
okay.
very funny, so I would say, like, yeah, he's really good, he was really calm, and he was really nice to me.
सच में
throughout.
पूरा कैसा रहता पूरा एनवायरनमेंट
The-
डायरेक्टर के साथ और नारा रोहित के साथ कैसे
I'm telling you,
रहता?
if you come to our set, like now that we are done shooting, I still miss my set, okay? I was like, can we go back? But like, that is not a good thing,
Acha,
right? Because
okay,
we're still shooting then. But like, I really want to go back because it was so fun. There is no shouting, there is no chillam chilli, there is all shanti se, everybody is working. There were so many actors, like such big actors. We have Asuki ma'am, we have so many people, and it is so difficult to manage all of them. And
Yes.
Venki doing his debut as well.
Yes.
And being able to manage all this, and like he used to have a stress ball in his hand, okay,
Acha.
and he would keep on doing that with the stress ball.
Okay, okay.
yeah.
So Venkat will do like that.
Yeah.
Acha, okay, okay. So what is your experience with Venkat, director Venkat?
I think he has pampered me a lot. When I first
पूरा
came,
सेट में आपको कौन ज़्यादा पैम्पर करता?
Venki.
वेंकी?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I have Hindvi, these two people. I'm telling you, everybody used to pamper me a lot. Venki was the one who would always make sure that, oh, okay, Veeti, like Ira, don't feel this, Ira, don't feel that. Okay, Ira, you're doing good. Don't worry, your Telugu is okay. Thoda chalega type.
acha.
He used to always make sure, and especially like when I first came, we did like a 10-day workshop to get through the whole script and
Acha,
all.
okay,
And that time, he would like, no, Ira, eat, Ira, eat. He would make sure I eat every single thing. Every meal would end with a dessert, okay? It
Acha,
was
okay.
just like that, and yeah. He always takes care. He always makes sure that he drops a text once in a while, and he always stays in touch. And I'm telling you, Venki was something that made me feel like, yeah, I should do this film, because after all, the place where I work, that also matters, like the environment, how healthy it is, how comfortable it is, how people are around you, and that's what is the main thing for me.
Did you ask to Venki why did you choose me to this character? बोल
I have a whole letter from Venki where he has written why. He has written a heartfelt letter to me, and I will.
Personally, he written to you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
He has written it on that, like why Ira is Ira, and I will always be his first this and that, and like it is a very cute thing. I never actually asked him. I just asked him, "Do you believe in me? Do you
okay.
believe that I can pull Ira?" And he said yes, and that's all I think
Okay.
I needed to do.
Nice. And you are from where actually?
I'm from Gujarat.
Gujarat.
Yeah.
Acha, okay. But you started your career in modeling, right?
Yeah.
So what is the difference between modeling and this acting field?
I feel like I actually started my career with one serial when I was a kid, and then I moved on to ads.
Acha, you are a
Huh.
child artist?
Yeah.
Oh,
So then
okay.
I moved on to ads, and like majorly on that area. Also, when you're very young, there are less films that are happening around kids, right?
Yes.
So at that time I didn't have the scope, and then I was doing ads and stuff, and then I did a film called Hope or Hum with Nashruddin Shah, and that was a great experience. That was also a breakthrough to my career, and then I did
Okay.
Arya. Then I like there are a lot of things that I kept on doing once I got past my puberty. So like now I'm like done with my teenage, and now I'm just
Acha, okay.
yeah.
Now your age will be 23, 24?
I'm not going to tell you that.
Acha, okay. No, not a problem. But yeah, I saw your one ad about JioMart with Dhoni sir.
Yeah.
So it was like हम लोग वेट करते कब कब उसको क्रिकेट ग्राउंड
Yeah.
में देख सकते हैं वैसे बोलते बट यू डिड एड विथ हिम
Yeah.
सो हाउ डज इट फील एंड या
Honestly, like he's so calm, he's so sweet, he's so down to earth. He never showed attitude. We shot for a day or two, and then he was just so nice to me. And he also he came and he told me, oh, you wanted picture, right? He was going and I felt too embarrassed to go there and ask for a
Acha,
picture.
okay.
He's like, you wanted a picture and autograph, right?
Yeah.
And he signed for us. He also signed for one of my friend to, you know, give him as a birthday gift. But yeah,
Acha.
very sweet, very good. And like, he, like all these people, you feel like they'll be very rude or something or arrogant, but they are not.
अच्छा
They are very sweet, they are very humble.
अच्छा ओके आपको कब मालूम हुआ मतलब यू आर गोइंग टू एक्ट विथ धोनी सर इन एड शूट
I mean, when the whole thing was happening, my one thing I always make sure when I'm doing something or like there's a project that is coming on, I always tell myself, see, this is something that is going to happen. You will not feel excited until the day it is when you are shooting or you are done with the shooting. I don't feel excitement. I don't be like, oh my god, yay, wow, achievement. Like, I don't do that.
Acha,
I just,
okay.
I make sure that I go through it very calmly. Make sure that, okay, it is a happy thing, but I have to concentrate on my skills right now. So I go through that, and once it was done, I was like, oh, I worked with Dhoni.
आई एम डन यस यस
Yeah.
वी फील लाइक दैट जनरली लड़कियों वैसे रहता
हाँ, we are very calm, composed. We would
Yes.
do things, we would finish our work first and then feel whatever emotion we are feeling. So yeah.
So I have one task for you.
Okay.
I'll show you a few pictures.
Okay.
Particularly, I'll show you eyes. So you should guess who's that actor. Okay.
Okay.
You watch Telugu film, right?
Yes. But please spare me if I
Yeah.
get something wrong.
Sure.
Suggest me names. Come on, I know him.
I'll give you options. One is Nara Rohit, and second one is director Venkat, and third one is NTR,
Okay.
and fourth one is Ram Charan.
Ramcharan.
Are you sure?
Yeah, Ramcharan. I know he's from RRR.
Okay. Pakka.
Ramcharan. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yes.
See, I was wrong. You got me. I'm
okay.
bad with names.
And
Okay, I would remember the
second
face.
one.
NTR.
You're right. And third one. Do you watch Tamil films, Tamil and Malayalam?
This one is, I mean,
I
I am
will-
trying to put the face together, but I'm not able to.
Recently,
Dhanush?
yes, you're right. And if you want to add anything about Dhanush, because did you
Oh.
saw Kubera movie?
Did I? I don't know. Like, the thing is, I'm very bad with names, yaar. I forget
Acha,
names.
okay.
And even if I've watched it, I don't recall it now. But I watched this, especially Kolaveri, Ranjini, yeah, all of that films I watched and I really love. Like, that man is so simple,
Yes.
but when he express, he is amazing. Like, I'm telling you, he just, wow, amazing. Like, I can't put a word to that because he's so amazing. He looks so simple. He just looks so simple and still pulls out things
Yes.
that, like the emotions, he says it. Like his eyes speak.
Amazing, yes.
So, yeah.
And did you watch Kubera?
Kubera, I mean, I would have to recollect the story.
He's a beggar in that movie. Recently, it got released.
Yeah, he's the
Shekhar
beggar
Kamla
and
director.
he has a family.
Yes.
Yeah, I have seen. And then they killed someone. Yeah. Is it? Oh, there's one more film
No,
where
no,
he's
no,
playing someone's father.
No. That is different. But
Okay.
this got released before 1 month. But you should watch it. You should.
Okay.
Yes. And you want to add anything about India, sir?
He does such great films. Like I watched
Which film is your favorite movie?
Janta Garage.
Janata Garage.
Yeah, I've watched that so many times, and it has 2-3 series also, right?
No.
There's one, or maybe it got remade in different languages, I'm guessing.
Acha, okay.
So I've watched that.
So, and you want to add anything about Ram Charan, sir?
I love his dance.
You love dance.
His dance, like
Acha,
the
okay.
RRR steps and all
Did you
that.
watch any films of him?
Yeah, I watched a lot of films. I'm telling you, I watched a lot of South films.
Which is your favorite film?
Now I would say RRR. But
RRR.
also there's one more film, but उसका नाम याद नहीं है. So.
अच्छा, हीरोइन कौन है उसमें?
This one,
हाँ,
RRR.
यस, नहीं आप इंडिया रामचरण सर फिल्म में हीरोइन कौन है?
Who was that? I don't remember.
अच्छा, ओके. नेक्स्ट एंड
I know this. I've seen so many films, and he has done a lot of films पहले.
तो कौन है?
नाम नहीं पता.
I'll give you options.
Okay.
He's a famous Malayalam actor.
Okay.
He did films in Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam also.
Okay. हाँ मतलब that I know,
हाँ,
but
हाँ.
I'm saying I don't remember his name.
अच्छा, okay. I'll give you options then. One is Karthi, and second one is Surya, and third one is Vijay Devarkonda, and fourth one is Sidhu.
What did you say after Karthik?
Surya.
Karthik Surya?
Yes, Surya.
Yeah?
Yes, yeah.
I mean, yeah, I've watched his films. Like I'm telling you, I've watched so many films when it used to come on TV, and like all the old films where you know they're playing the mostly a gangster or something like that only.
Yes.
Most of the films were that.
Yeah,
Really.
mostly.
Yeah.
But he is a legend actor. He
Yeah,
also
he
play
is.
any character. Yeah. It's very easy. And he's a famous Tollywood actor.
I know him. Allu Arjun.
Huh?
Allu Arjun.
Yes.
Oh my God, you scare me. Okay now.
So did you watch Pushpa 1, Pushpa 2?
Yeah.
Achha. Jhukega nahi saath.
Obviously, I watched Pushpa 1 and it was amazing.
Achha, okay. And you want to tell anything about him?
I love what he did in Pushpa 2. Like, that is something that when you see him like this, you would never understand what kind of an actor he is. But when you see Pushpa 2, you understand the art that he created there. So, yeah.
And
Why are you
before I
annoying
told
me?
his name also. Surya's brother.
Karthik.
Yeah, Karthik. Yes. It's Karthik.
Oh, I watched his films.
Did you watch any films of
Yeah, I
him?
don't remember the name, but I watched his films.
Acha, okay.
Closer.
It's
Is it?
थोड़ा difficult लगता.
Chiranjeevi?
No, no.
No, the
Nagarjuna का big son.
Samantha.
Yes, Samantha's husband.
Guys, don't say this, please. Don't do it. But yeah, that.
Yeah, but
cut
yeah.
this, please.
Yes. Acha, okay. He's Naga Chaitanya. It's okay. We will cut that.
Yeah.
So, did you watch any films of him?
Yeah, I watched Samantha in his first film.
MIA చేసారా in Telugu, but I don't know in Hindi.
No, I watched it in Telugu only.
You watched in Telugu. Acha, okay. I think so. He's your favorite one.
Closer. Oh, Vijay Devarkonda. Yeah.
Yes. And you want to add anything about him?
Yeah, he's something.
Something matlab?
He's wow.
You're blushing.
I'm not blushing.
You're blushing.
Okay,
I
maybe.
can see that you're in your face.
But like, I love his acting. I love when I watched this Family Star also, I was like, I just love the fun that he creates with the characters,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah,
And he's
okay.
amazing. He looks also very down to earth.
And this is last one. Maybe
And
it will be difficult to you.
Ranbir?
No. He's a Tollywood actor.
Okay.
Do you know DJ Tillu?
No.
DJ. DJ Tillu Square. Did you watch those films?
No.
Acha. Then you don't know him. He's a Sidhu Jonnalgadda.
Okay.
He is also very famous actor in Tollywood.
Okay.
Yeah, his name is Sidhu Jonnalgadda.
Mm.
So you are completed your task
Yes.
and almost you answered 6, 7.
I answered everything except
Every-
one or two, okay?
Yeah, this one last one is
Huh.
you did not answer.
Yeah.
but yeah. Okay. So nice. And you want to tell anything about your movie to audience? So you can.
I would say this is something different. This is something you have not seen, but I'm very sure when you watch this film, you will get butterflies. You will feel the oh yeah, get that girl kind of thing. So I think you should go watch this film. You will love this film because it is so different and it is giving you something that is not already there. Like
Okay.
you have not seen it anywhere. So this is going to make you laugh, cry, and feel all the emotions. So please go and watch it.
Yeah, definitely. And do you have any dream character? I want to work with him or I want to work with her. Like
I want to work with Rajamouli sir once
Oh.
because like I mean I love what he creates and like also when you work with such people you grow so much, you learn so much, and like just to be on set is also enough.
Okay.
yeah.
Nice. Thank you so much
Thank
and
you.
all the best.
Thank you.